Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of My Legion Among Mortals, Shorts. Mensi, you definitely don't know the question. It was given by Muxi's tutor. Well, right now, he's asking Sisi. Well, can Sisi help her? You know the question just now, you definitely can do it. This one, it's Sinbui's seniors class. Now, she want to trick Sisi. Actually know how to do it again, but this will definitely stump you. And this one. Now, she asked so many things to Sisi. Silly, why do you know everything? Are you a top student? Well, as if she doesn't know that Sisi is bright. Then, thank you for helping me finish my homework. You fell into the trap. Silly girl. Well, Xiaojin, if she doesn't know, Sisi, she's tricking her. Of course, she know everything. Looking at her, she looks really happy, but suddenly, there's a paper drop on the floor. Well, could it be that it was a note from Sisi for her? Right now, she picked it up. Why is there a note? Xiaojin, she seems to be surprised. Well, since she was curious, she opened the paper and she read the note, written down detailed solution to each question. Please read it before taking the exam. Oh, she was really sweet girl. Since she helped her, now Bailey Jean sent her a milk tea. Sudden appearance. Well, Sisi seems to be surprised. But of course, she know it came from Bailey Jean. Although it's a bit sweet, but it's not unpleasant to drink. Well, she can really complain about it. Hey guys, here's a cute side story about Xiaojin and Sisi's friendship. See you next Sunday from the author. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day. Bye.